It's Easter, and this week in our classes, a lot of students have been talking about their plans for Easter and what they're going to do with their kids in particular, as their kids are off school and they want to keep them busy, keep them entertained over the Easter holidays. They don't want them to be stuck indoors for 2 weeks, cooped up indoors, getting bored, feeling restless, and bouncing off the walls. If you say that someone is bouncing off the walls, you mean that they have a lot of pent up energy. They have a lot of energy inside them that they can't contain. Sometimes this is because you're bored and you're restless. Maybe you've been stuck indoors for a long time and you're bouncing off the walls, dying to get outside. Or you might be really excited about something. So, for example, on Christmas Eve, the kids were bouncing off the walls with excitement about Christmas Day. Or maybe you've had too much coffee and now you're bouncing off the walls. Or maybe the kids have eaten too many sweets and chocolate and had too much sugar. Now they're bouncing off the walls.